Whose beaver plush is this?
Hey Jesse, I think the apples are ripe. They're ready to be picked.
What? No way! That's awesome!
You want a red one or a green one?
Toss me the red one.
It's a beauty. Catch.
Oh! That's a firm apple!
Sink your teeth into that fresh apple.
Here I go! 3, 2...
Can you back up for 2 seconds? Okay. Bite harder! Don't be a wimp!
My teeth are stuck in the apple! Help me! Don't just stand there!
Oh, I'll save you, brother Jesse!
You're gonna pull my teeth out!
No, I ain't! I'm helping!
I'm gonna do it!
He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it!
Oh! The apple stole your teeth! Oh! Show me your mouth, Jesse!
My teeth are missing! I ain't showing nobody!
Let me see the rest of your teeth!
You gotta be out of your mind! I'll show you! Don't laugh! I'm feeling lightheaded! Oh, I gotta sit down!
It's Dentist Mike! I'm gonna give you new teeth!
You ready? I'm ready! Do it! Do it!
Don't worry, Jesse!
Man, I'm so jealous. You're gonna look so fly.
Make me the handsome man that I once was!
Your new teeth are in!
I'm the most handsome man in the world.
Question time to see how well you're paying attention! Our robot Dave was eating food in this video. What was he eating? Leave a comment below and let us know. Become part of the Jesse Mike Tribe and hit that subscribe button because we want you to see more of our videos. Turn notifications on if you want to see more videos just like this one. Then click on the video links in the description box below.